Hey guys, happy Monday. How's your weekend? What did I do? I watched a lot of documentaries. I learned about 4 different people this weekend. I did a lot of reading for, we're doing this class with the Modern Museum of Art in New York. And so we've been, Museum of Modern Art, MoMA, yeah. So I learned a lot. I've been doing a lot of reading, learning about lots of artists, getting inspired for new lessons for you. And speaking of new lessons, don't forget to go to Schoology to see your lessons for this week. And check out Class Dojo 2 for any information. And don't forget that we have the Aldine Art Contest. The theme is Illustrate a Word. So we're going to be doing lots of things this week with words and letters and typography. And today you're going to need this. And I'll explain it more in a second. So I've introduced Andy Warhol before. And you know, he is considered a pop artist. And he did a lot of artwork of popular culture. And let me see, where's Andy? Here we go. Oh, just kidding, that's not Andy. I just saw the red, I thought that was him. But remember, here is Andy. And today we're gonna look at Andy's Brillo box. So this is literally a big box that he recreated, that he took someone else's design and made it. And when someone asked him, is this real art? Do you consider this original? He said, nope. But technically it is original because he had to remake the box and he made the artwork and he screen printed all the sides of the box. And then the actual designer of the box saw it too, and he's like, yeah, that's not art because that's my art, which is true. That was the designer's art. We're going to do something similar. We're not going to copy his work or somebody else's work. We're going to do an observational drawing. And so remember, when we do observational drawings, we can sketch, contour, gesture, or do a continuous contour. And the rules are, you're always looking, your eye is connected to your hand is connected to your tool. And you're going to pick an object that has print on it, that has text. So it could be a candy bar, maybe it's, it could be like the side of a book or a book cover even. Maybe it's a box of crayons. So, some sort of consumer product, because we are going to do a observational drawing, but we're going to zoom in, which means we're not drawing the entire thing. You're going to focus on a certain part, and you're going to draw that part. That is going to be your composition. Your composition is to crop it. I'm probably going to crop mine to about something like this. So for your composition, think about like when you take a picture and then you zoom in on the phone. So that's what you're doing, but with your eyes. So you're going to sketch out your drawing. Remember, real close up. What's your little close up? You're going to draw a light so that when you color over it or paint over it or whichever material that you decide to use, you don't see those pencil lines. I'm starting with a watercolor wash. Yeah, too much water. But I'm going to fix it. Beautiful loops. And I'm going to go over it with my crayons to add my details. And because we're not computers, it's not going to come out exactly the same, which is fine because we're practicing. You just need to practice your values and your lights. Look at the composition. And I want to see some letters for sure in your piece. When you finish, please take a photo and upload to Class Dojo or tag me on Twitter and Instagram. And don't forget about the art contest going on the Aldine webpage. Happy art making!